How we doing, guys? It's Larry here again for Leoy Systems. This video, I want to talk about something I mentioned in another video about price, where state your price, shut your mouth, don't try to convince somebody to spend that much money on your services or your facility or anything like that. To go along the lines with that, I also want to talk about when somebody brings up, well, so-and-so down the road, or I went to another gym or another massage therapist and they charge less than you do. Yeah, they probably do. And that's fine. That's what they value their service at. Don't ever compete with somebody based on price. Always compete based on value. What are you giving to this potential client that the other place is not? And you're doing it for a little bit more money because there is a perceived value that it's worth more. That is what you have to think about. You know, if I run a gym, I charge $100 a month gym membership. It's a standard gym, free weights, machines, cardio equipment, a couple of group fitness classes, maybe childcare. But gym number 2, 15 minutes away, charges $50 a month. Same machines, same cardio equipment, also has childcare. What's to get people to come to my gym for $100, then go to gym number 2 for $50? And that's perceived value. Constantly upgrade your equipment, constantly cleaning your facility, which is very important, especially in a public space. Are you giving a towel service versus them? What kind of towels are you using versus them if you do them the same? Do you have member extras? Like I said in another video. Woman comes up to you and says, hey, do you have an extra hair tie by any chance? You don't want to give them a rubber band because that's what the $50 a month gym did. You want to give them a nice hair tie. Simple, little things that are perceived value. Also, the level of instructors that you have, whether they're personal trainers or group exercise instructors, are they just better? I mean, you may get an instructor that teaches at both your locations. Okay, that's going to happen. You have a trainer that trains at both. That's going to happen. How management takes care of their employees will also dictate the level of service that the employee gives to your members. This is a whole other video that I'm probably going to end up making, but that's going to be a large chunk of its perceived value, is how your employees act and how they respond to people. The level of customer service, basically. That's what's going to dictate a lot of the perceived value of your facility. Alrighty? Compete on value, not on price. And just do better. Sorry, Joey Swole.